What up, Digital Slang? Welcome back. S20 Fan Edition 5G. This is the cloud red version. It does come in 6 colorways: navy, lavender, mint, red, white, and orange. We're gonna peel this plastic off and get a better look. That looks so good. Look how good that looks. That red looks amazing right now. It does have that matte finish to it, and I dig it, and it actually feels really nice in the hands. Now there is a pre-installed screen protector on here, so I am so impressed with what companies are doing now and what we are getting for the price. I am super excited about the Fan Edition S20. My sim will be going in here tonight. Look how good that red looks. Again, matte finish. Cloud red is the perfect name for it. It does kind of have that, it's got a weird effect to it. I dig it, I like it. Between this and the navy color, it was very difficult to decide which one, but I did figure a lot of people would be getting the navy, so I had to go with the red. Man, this thing, first off, flat display. Again, I'm so happy this has a flat display. My sim is going in this immediately after this video, but first impressions on this thing, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful looking phone, and the display, I can't wait to turn this thing on. So again, 6 colors, guys, $699 starting price. So we do have some power, so we'll start this guy up. We'll take a look at the display. We'll talk about the phone again, just an unboxing and first impression. So Infinity O display, 6.5-inch display, full HD, not quad HD, it is just full HD. And I'm not going to have a problem with that because it's running 120 hertz refresh rate on here. So I'm super excited about that. That paired with a flat display with the infinity hole, just that small hole punch, very slim bezels all along the phone. I'm digging it, I like it. Sim's going in it right after this video. Now the finish on the back, that red matte finish, cloud red, I think is a perfect name for this. It does kind of have that look. And as far as it being slippery, it's definitely not as slippery as the Note 20 Ultra or the Z Fold 2. And it does feel like plastic, but it's not bad. It doesn't feel cheap. It does feel well built. And something like this, I mean, you can throw a case on it. I'm not throwing a case on it. It's not going to be bad at all. Now the camera bump on the back, not as big as a bump on the Note, well, on this phone as the Note 20 Ultra or even the Z Fold 2. Triple camera setup on the back, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel wide, and then you have your 8 megapixel telephoto. And on the front, you do have a 30 megapixel front camera with 30 times zoom. And again, full HD, 120 hertz refresh rate, 5G, all for $699. And you guys know Samsung gives really good trade-ins. So I traded in an old iPhone 8 Plus and they gave me 350 bucks for it. So I got half off on this phone. Definitely excited about that. Now, battery life in here, 4,500 milliamp battery life. It does support fast charge. It does support fast wireless charge as well as reverse charge. A 30-minute charge is going to get you 50% battery life, and we will be testing that out as we get into it. So I'm going to throw my stuff in here so we can take a better look at the screen. So look how good this looks, guys. Again, full HD display on here, 6.5-inch Infinity O display, flat display. Huge fan of the flat displays. Curved displays look nice, but I do have accidental touches quite a bit. So this is running all of the flagship specs. It's going to take great photos. The cloud red, again, 6 colorways. It does come in navy, lavender, mint, red, white, and orange. IP68 sweat and water resistance. So we're getting a lot here. Value, bang for buck. We are getting a ton at this price point, guys. Smartphones right now are amazing for what they give us at the price they give it to us at. So really good for us, for all of us, whether you are a techie like me, a tech nerd, or you just are looking for a really good phone at a really good price. Something like this is going to do the job. Now again, this does have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage with expandable storage all the way up to 1 terabyte. So we are getting a ton. First impression, super excited. My sim is going in this phone right now. I'll be back with more testing over the next week or two. I'll compare it against the Note 20 as well as some other. We'll do a bunch of camera comparison videos, but super excited. Note, I saw a bunch of videos on the navy, and the navy color looked really nice too. I'm excited to see the orange. I know some of you guys out there are getting the orange color, but the cloud red looks super dope, super clean. I love the size. I love the display. 120 hertz flagship specs for $700. We're at a point where you don't need to spend $1,000 on a phone. And if you do, it's just because you want that phone. You don't need it, because if you needed it, you would spend a lot less, because value, bang for buck. Again, between this lineup of phones, between what Google is doing with the Pixel lineup, the 4a, the 4a 5G, the 5, all for great pricing. Man, Apple, you better come big next month whenever you drop your phones, because these other companies, man, you're lacking. Let's just say you're lacking. So the S20 Fan Edition 5G Cloud Red, I'm digging it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Just an unboxing. Quick look at the Cloud Red Fan Edition S20 5G. I'll be back soon with a bunch more content on this phone. Peace.